friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for being connected and learning English with Neeraj. My dear friend, this is going to be blog where I'm describing lots of things and I will show you the best moment. So today I am going to Amrit Udyan, which we call also Mughal Garden. So right now it would be going to be very interesting and I will show you so many things and I will throw the help of my voice through the occurrence which happening in our environment. I am going to describe and you will learn a lot and you will also believe that you are enjoying that, and with the showing all the things I will make you understand and you will understand the things easily, and this is going to be very interesting. Whenever you learn the things in interesting way, so you will have your interest and you will understand by forcing any kind of like efforts, because you are hearing and you are understanding and it will improve your communication skills. There are so many people across all over the world. They might be thinking about how Delhi looks like. So I will show you, and by like looking all the things, definitely you will get some clarity and you will have idea that how Delhi looks like. You can see these are the best moment which I capture in my videos. It is ITC Moria Hotels, which is located. You can see it's near Dhola Kuan. Kindly watch my full video. Yes, can you see Gyara Murti in front of my eyes? I can show you that. Yes, this is very interesting moment. And yeah, here I'm going to forward. Yes, right now you can see Gyara Murti is there. Gandhi is on leading the team. And yes, the vehicles are coming and still it is very gorgeous moment that I am exploring all the things. It is very fantastic and I'm feeling very great. Today I'm very energetic and excited that I'm watching so many things. Yes, I'm going to forward, and yeah, so let's, right now you can see I came at Gol Chakkar or round area where just I have get down from the bus and I'm going forward with my friends, and these beautiful moments should not remain incomplete. I will watch everything and you have to also watch. You can see I am just getting down and I'm going forward and I can show you. Yes, the flowers are very beautiful here. It is, I think it is started. Yes, so yes, I wanted to show you the best moment, the good things as I'm going forward, and I can see that yeah, these are very hard taking pictures, and yeah, it is very fantastic and I like too much whenever I came outside and I see the things which is happening. So I feel very great and very wonderful that yes, I am enjoying. And I don't know, from my childhood I like to explore the things and understand the things in deeply way, because the more I'm exploring, the more I become like Vasco da Gama. And my dear friend, as I'm taking my step forward and I can show you that, can you see far from there is president like house, that is the main building of resident house. You can see. Yes, I'm going to forward and you can see the vehicles are coming again, and these are the wonderful things which I feel it should be great. And there are so many people come. So right now I'm just going forward and I can show you, yeah, that auto rickshaw wala and all like bikes and all cars, people coming through that and they are enjoying. So yes, I believe my dear friend, it is called Amrit Udyan where I'm going, and I will show you the greatness, and which I believe you must show it. Maybe you are not from Delhi, or maybe you are from Delhi but you haven't visited there, but don't worry, I will show you. And you might be watching my video from out of India, so you can also see that it is like documentaries blog, or so this is how the people are getting their tickets, because it is important to put your information before going forward. So this is my ticket. You can see he is my friend and he is holding the tickets, and all people are need to take the tickets. Ticket is very important to entering inside. So just I'm going to forward and I will show you. Yes, so this it is free of cost. I don't need to pay any money for entering. It is just like the government, they need to take care your record. Your record is important. So as I'm going forward with my friends, as you can see, this is entrance gate of Amrit Udyan Mughal Garden, right? Amrit Udyan Mughal Garden, you can see it is very interesting. It's going to be happen, my dear friend. There are so many people are going. So yes, so this is the first steps which we need to do. If we have anything, any belongings, so we must submit our belongings before entering in Amrit Udyan or Mughal Garden. So you can see the people are submitting their bags, and I've already submitted and I'm going forward. Yes, I think it is, yeah, very interesting, and I can see I'm very excited to see about all those things. Yes, my friend is walking and I feel very good. I can see there are so many people who came to see the Mughal Garden or Amrit Udyan, and it is very interesting moment in my life. Although I have visited here at many times, but this is going to be really interested. You can see people are taking selfies and their photos. Now you can see there is also like written Amrit Udyan in Hindi, and the flowers are theirs. And yeah, these beautiful people are right. It is really great, and I believe that people are enjoying. And yes, it is like today we have also good weather in Delhi. And guys, thank you so much for watching today. Right now I'm going, as I hope you will see, I will show you many things, and I'm feeling very excited that I'm going inside, and you will feel great. As you can see, there are so many people are going, and it will completely, you will see and you will shock that you are watching me. And yes, let's see. My dear friend, you are sitting at your home and you are watching. So this is Amrit Udyan Mughal Garden, and yeah, this is white buildings before entering, you can see. And as I'm going to forward, as you can see, the trees are very beautiful, and it has just started. Definitely you can see you are enjoying, and after watching this video you will feel like I should also visit in like Amrit Udyan. Yeah, he is just saying that yes, okay, everything is great. And yes, guys, so as I'm going forward, and you are very excited to look all the things. And yes, these people are very interesting to capture the photos. And yeah, everybody are carrying their cell phones, and they wanted to capture the photos with the flowers and things which is differently located here. So it is called, I hope you will feel delighted, and you might feel amazing that after like you are watching this video carefully. And yes, it is another way to get relief ourselves, because working a lot, and you are not like you are not walking anywhere, you are not going, so you will feel frustrated. But as here people came from across all over the world, from everywhere in the world, so we wanted to get some fun, and we wanted to show our eyes that yes, there are something to look and to feel positive. So right now I'm just walking with my friends, and here there are so many people are coming on daily basis. So it is open for 2 months in 1 year, and it opens somewhere like February to March. So for that moment, any citizens of India, any citizens of all over the world, anyone can come, and they can understand, and they can watch the things. And yes, this is the really amazing moments in my life. And as I can see that beautiful flowers are there. You can get every kind of flowers here, like lotus, and there are so many like genda flowers. And yeah, these are the small and little and tiny. You never ever imagine that how small these are the plants, but they have flowers. Plant is very small, but they have flowers, and flowers has different kind of colors, and all are very significant. All are really breathtaking point of views, I can see. And it is spread around 15 acres. So yeah, president and politicians, people, they come to visit all the things, and they on daily basis, you can see right? So I think, yeah, it is very adorable moment in my life. These are tiny and small flowers plants are sparkling. They have different kind of color and they are really amazing. People, they wanted to capture everything in their cameras. Nothing remain incomplete. Everybody wants to taking these beautiful flowers, right? So yes, so many people, and they have we have lots of like experiences, and people have different kind of feelings, and they rejuvenate their lifestyle, and they feeling completely amazing. Here after came, I understand that there is an environment, and there is a many things to do in life. So as I'm going forward, and I feel very great when I see the trees are like booming, flowers are sparkling with their nice fragrance and colors, and really these are very great things which we must understand. My dear friend, life mean is to enjoy. If you are remaining at one place, not going outside, not looking the things, so you will feel surprised. So you don't feel surprised, you have to watch and understand the thing. These are, you can see, these are the stone paths are there, and yes, and there is little bit barricading things that nobody should allow inside. It is decorated by more than 500 people every day work here. It is like government places, government house, where politicians, where people can come and they enjoy. Because yeah, you can say opening soon, yes, because if you are not have visited the Mughal garden, so you will feel incomplete. No matter wherever you are living in this world, this is a like amazing things which opens only for 2 months. You can see these are the small plants, and there is some duck inside the cage. And yeah, you should watch and you should come visit if you, whenever you get time. Get relief yourself after working a lot in company organizations, because there are lots of separation can happen, and you might be feeling or understanding. Here I'm going forward, and yes, these are the things you will see whenever you came in Mughal garden, whenever you will visit Mughal garden. So these things will make your life perfect, and you will completely enjoying. So my dear friend, yes, you can see, just I wanted to show you the best things as I'm going forward. I don't know what to say, but there are so many things which I can't able to express throughout my words. Maybe I have limited words, maybe I can't able to show you the pictures I'm showing you, I can't able to express you. So as right now I'm going to forward, I'm taking my step forward. You can see this is also another like park, another garden where where I'm just entering, and all people are entering. And yeah, it is kind of like more interest is generating. The way I'm going inside, more interest, more curiosity is taking place. And I can show you, yes, this is the like another gate, another inside gates through which you can enter, and you will see differently. Yes, amazing. These are completely amazing moments. You have to understand, people are excited and I'm too excited. And as I'm entering that, and I can show you, yes, we have entered, I think, front of President House. Yes, so you can see the plants and all the things, and the security are also there, so they need to take care. Any kind of illegal or suspension activities should not happen, because people are coming from anywhere in the world. So you can see this is the like front face of President House. Front face of President House. You can see people. Yeah, I can see. Yes, I hope you are looking it and you are feeling great. Yes, these are very beautiful and amazing pictures which you are looking right now. You don't have to like before coming, you must watch this, and you will get some clarity. You have some vision in your mind, and you might be correlating with those. Yes. So you can see, yeah, I'm very glad and thankful. Rashtrapati Bhavan, yes, Rashtrapati Bhavan, this is what we call, and this is garden of Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is particularly the people has given the name of Amrit Udyan. Earlier it used, formerly it called as like Mughal Garden. So you can see, yes, this is the Paya or Rath, or yes, I want to show you. Yes, you can see this is the main phase, the main gate. You might be wondering and you might be enjoying how great is this, how beautiful is this, why I never visit here. You might be thinking, yeah, these are the beauties and plants. There is not only one plant, there are different kind of plants all over the world. Plants they have collected, and right now you can see these are flustering, these are booming. It is very exotic place, and I want to show you like the moment which I want to show you. You can see there is water and water falling is happening, and the flag, the national flag, you can see. And yes, people again, nobody should keep their phone inside the pocket. Everybody wants to take their phone outside, and they wanted to collect the photo, they wanted to capture the beautiful plant photos and fragrance. You can see these are the beauties, and these are the real these are the like real beauties of the nature. It is very, my dear friend, in Delhi, it is, although it is very populated, but this place is really neat and clean. And when I came here, so when I come here, I feel very like very neat and clean, and found that fresh air, and it is really it just like I came in heaven. I really, these are the very important things which make life perfect. And people coming from multi backgrounds, and maybe in India we have different kind of things. You can see national flag is flying, and this is real the president house top stone. You can see it is really, it will give you the knowledge as I'm just moving my camera, zoom in and zoom out, and you feel great. And you have to feel great, my dear friend, because these are the moments which you have been thinking to visit, and there is also suspension in your mind that how it could looks like Mughal Garden. Mughal Garden is very interesting place, very gorgeous and adorable place. I wanted to show it in a different way, and just it is very like yeah, it is just zooming in and zooming out, and you will see that, yeah, this is really fantastic place. I should visit, and I must visit. I should visit with my family, because these places are remaining incomplete if I haven't visited there. So what you are thinking till now, you must visit here and you must watch, my dear friend. It is my English blog where you can listen the things, and I'm also describing, so it is more than blogs. You can take it as a documentary, as the information which I'm revealing front of like presidential house, and the informations which you should understand that it is Amrit Udyan. It is like Mughal Garden earlier, or formerly we used to call, but right now you can see it is very breathtaking activities, and it is spread almost 15 acres. Yes, again these are the great things. People are very excited, and you might be also very excited after looking the people, because people are also great, and because of the people, it is like the doors has been open for them. Anyone can come, and anyone can enjoy the things. The more you will look, the more you will feel more excited, because every trees and flowers and stone, they have different kind of information they are revealing. Whenever you visit here in a real time, you will feel like, yeah, yes, I should enjoy. I can't able to express. There are so many things need to be expressed. The pictures which I can show you, I can just little explore. I can just little tell you. But there are many things which you can understand by coming here. Right now, Amrit Udyan, right? Rashtrapati Bhavan. I can't able to express so many things, but here, whatever the possibilities I have, whatever things I know, definitely I want to explore through my words. And I believe that these videos are very interesting, and you feel great you feel incredible whenever you watch the things in a clear way, because there is much more transparency. My dear friend, again, I'm just like holding the cameras, and I wanted to show it, yes, how people are clicking the photos. And yeah, it is Friday. I came, there is not lot of people, but still people are coming. And yes, it is like a great moment and great things which I capture throughout my cell phone. And definitely I will show you, and I will make you perfect, and you should enjoy. Your entertainment should not be stopped, because life means to enjoy and get and have the great things and great moment which you can understand. Right here, the people here is my friend is very excited. He came with me. I'm very thankful to him. And yes, my dear friend, this is going to be 3 parts. So this is my first part videos, which I have revealed all informations regarding Amrit Udyan or Mughal Garden. So you have to you can also watch my another videos, part number 2, and then there will be also part number 3. So this is first part. I hope you will like, and you can share and subscribe to my channel and learn more as much as possible.